Hello student, I am Rakhi teacher and I welcome you for the second lesson to standard 4th. So today we are going to start with our second lesson, that is food factory. In the previous lesson we have already learned about the life and survival of a plant. We have seen the plants, right? Now we will see the food factory. What is food factory? Means जहाँ से फूड आता है, फूड कहाँ से आता है, दैट इज़ द फूड फैक्ट्री. मीन्स प्लांट की फूड फैक्ट्री क्या है, हमारी फूड फैक्ट्री क्या है, दैट वी विल सी इन द लेसन. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस what we are going to see in this lessons. These are some topics which I am going to explain one by one in the entire lesson. So first one, about a food factory, we will cover up all these 4 points one by one. Preparation and a storage of a food in a plant. You know, plant prepare their own food. As you know, plant is a living thing. Right, it's a living thing because it grows, it prepares their own food, it gives out oxygen, it takes in carbon dioxide. What happens there means plant prepare their own food means how? You must be wondering, आपको wonder हो रहा रहेगा कि plant अपना food कैसे prepare करते हैं. How plant prepare their food? So plant prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. उसे एक नाम दिया जाता है, that is photosynthesis. And what is photosynthesis? How photosynthesis occurs? That we will see. Right? Next, part of a leaf means a part. A leaf, आपको leaf लेना है and its part. आपने एक लीफ लिया होगा बट उसके अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं, लाइक लीफ ब्लेड है, लीफ वेन्स है. दीज आर दी वेन्स. आपने देखो, आप ऑब्जर्व करो. दीज पार्ट्स वी विल डिस्कस विद द डायग्राम. नेक्स्ट, सम इंटरेस्टिंग प्लांट्स. यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग सम इंटरेस्टिंग प्लांट्स मीन्स प्लांट्स. सम इंटरेस्टिंग प्लांट्स मीन्स plants. We see all plants are in green color, but some plants they don't have the green color, but still they are plants. That also we will discuss here. Next, energy flows in living things. How energy flows in living things, how we are dependent on plants, how plants are dependent on others. That energy comes from what? That everything we are going to discuss in this lesson. So student, now coming, as I told you this everything, I will explain you how this 4 topics takes place in the entire lesson. So student, as I told you, what all the things we are going to discuss in the entire lesson, that is food factory. I told you 4 topics that I am going to cover in the whole lesson. So starting with the first topic. What is first topic? Preparation and storage of a food in a plant. Preparation means बनाना, prepare करना, food prepare करना and store करना. What is the preparation and the storage of a food in a plant? Plant अपना खाना कैसे बनाते हैं और कैसे store करके रखते हैं, that I am going to explain you how. So see, plant, as you see plants those are in green color, right? So they cannot move from one place to another, but still they are living beings because they give out they give out oxygen and they take in carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Okay, so how it is possible? Because their green color means the green pigment, जिसे हम chlorophyll बोलते हैं. Chlorophyll, the green pigment which is present, which is found in the leaves of a plant. Say what we say is that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll जो pigment होता है, sunlight को absorb करता है, मीन्स sunlight को absorb करके अपना खाना बना सकते हैं in the presence of sunlight. So that is called chlorophyll. What is it? Chlorophyll. This everything we are going to learn. And the process of making a food, that is called photosynthesis, the process by which plant make their food from water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight that helps to prepare their food, and this process is known as photosynthesis. पिगमेंट कौन सा होता है? क्लोरोफिल. एंड जो प्रोसेस खाना बनाते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस. नाउ फोटोसिंथेसिस पिगमेंट ग्रीन कलर तो होता है, बट एक अगर लीव्स आप लो, एक पत्ता झाड़ का लो, वो झाड़ के पत्ते को आप देखो, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दैट लीव, यू विल फाइंड अ टाइनी पोर्स ऑन दैट. छोटे 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 ऐसे पोर्स दिखेंगे. यू कैन नॉट फाउंड इट विथ योर आईज, but under the microscope you can observe a tiny pores that is called stomata. What is it? Stomata. So this everything helps to prepare its food. These are the two terms. First one, a green pigment, that is chlorophyll. Second one, the process of making a food is called photosynthesis, and how it forms. Suppose this is a soil, right? This is a soil and already water and everything is present over here, that is H2O. Water is present. Okay, so these are the roots. From roots it goes upstairs. अब ये पानी ऊपर जाता है, water यहाँ पे आते हैं, leaves में आता है H2O. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड which we exhale, जो हम बाहर छोड़ते हैं, while the respiration of a human being, this is the respiration, we take in oxygen but we give out carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is taken by, जो वो लेता है, प्लांट्स उसे लेता है और ऑक्सीजन हमें देता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो लेते हैं और हमें ऑक्सीजन देते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. दिस एंटायर diagram tells about the photosynthesis, how photosynthesis forms. Just open your textbook and see the page number 12. One diagram is mentioned over there, that is the water, how water goes up, what comes out, what takes in the presence of sunlight. This everything happens. This is called a photosynthesis. And जो वो खाना है सिर्फ लीव्स में स्टोर नहीं करके रखते हैं, दो स्टोर्स इन द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स लाइक स्टेम, रूट, इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ फ्रूट. उनका जो खाना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च में होता है और ग्लूकोज में उसका फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है. सो दिस इज इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टार्च. उनका खाना वो बना के रखते हैं. सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस of how they prepare and how they store. Like sugar cane, आपके पिक्चर होगा sugar cane. Sugar cane में भी वो अपना स्टार्च फॉर्म करके रखते हैं. ग्लूकोज मीन्स जो भी उसमें मिठास, जो भी मिठास होती है, जो भी ग्लूकोज उसमें स्टोर करके रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट यू कैन टेक अ स्पेनेच. स्पेनेच के लीव्स में उनका खाना होता है. दीज आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ प्लांट इन विच दे स्टोर देयर फूड. सो दिस इज फॉर about the preparation